was right on top of it. Yep, look at that. Look at that. Fucking sucked that shit right off. That's what I was just doing on Google Maps. I was trying to see if I can see where the low spots are.
Yeah, I haven't found any.
Here.
He's stuck.
Slowly let line out with your hand and let him swim himself out. He'll work his way out.
Yeah, I don't think it's tied up.
Shit, if anything, I'll wait out there.
You okay?
Hey, you ready to reel? You ready to reel?
Did I just bring him in?
Put him back in the water.
Okay, start reeling. You gotta fight.
Unless he already wore himself out.
You're crossing lines.
I'm trying not to.
No, this one especially. That's one line. It's the other one. It's the other one, bro.
Oh, that one's out here. I don't think I'm gonna be holding that one. You caught that more than I did, so. We switched lakes.
Show me what you've got. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Drop it. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Well, it's yours now. What are you on?
Hard. Oh, they are hard.
Yeah, it's fun. Holy shit, we got them jumping too. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that jump. Look at that big old swamp donkey coming in.
And a little too slow.
Oh no, he's beached. Got him in the net. Yeah, baby.
Okay, what do I do now?
And you scoop them under the belly. Just like that.
Nice. There, get them out of here.
I'll make it. Today's episode of the Colorado Experience is sponsored by Miller Lite.
No, it's not.
Drink responsibly, just kidding. Not kidding about drinking responsibly. Oh shit.
See that?
This is the best feeding time for carp too. Oh, come on. I wonder if maybe their tails are hitting the line?
Yeah, probably.
Putting on some fresh bread for these swamp donkeys.